moment of decision comes the moment of destiny. And this nation again and again in the great hours of its fate has swept aside convention, has swept aside the little men of talk and of delay, and have decided to follow men and movements who say we go forward to action. Let who dare follow us in this hour. That is the permanent, the mighty mood of Britain. And I claim that in the ranks of our black-shirt legions march the mighty ghosts of England's past, and their strong arms around us, and their voices echo down the ages, saying onward.